Hey you guys, it's C Simone and it's my birthday! Okay, so this video is going to be about how I did my own birthday photo shoot. It's very simple, very straightforward. I just wanted to make the video in case anybody else was interested in doing their own birthday photo shoot. So if this is something that interests you, please keep watching. All right, y'all, I think I'm a little zoomed in and I don't feel like fixing it. So y'all just gonna have to, I'm gonna back up my chair, hope that helps. Okay, so I decided to take my own birthday pictures because number one, it's cheaper. As you guys know, I'm paying for a wedding, so I really don't have any extra money. And number two, I don't have no job. So as of today, I still don't have a job. So I was like, I really can't afford to pay a photographer anywhere from $150 to $500, because that's as broad as of a range as it was, to take a picture of me on my birthday for 30 minutes. So today is not officially my birthday. I'm taking these pictures in advance of my birthday. My actual birthday is on the 11th, which is Sunday, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's right. But by the time you guys see this, it will be my birthday. But let me get to the point. So all I did was I ordered this crown from Amazon. It says birthday girl. It has little rhinestones in it. Low-key, one of the rhinestones is missing, but we're just gonna let that go because it wasn't expensive. I think I ordered another one, and I'll insert the link in here somewhere. I wasn't feeling that one because my hair is big, and even though it was cute, it just wasn't gonna work for my hair. So I'll show y'all pictures. I think I did take a couple pictures in the first crown. So I bought two crowns just in case, and I'm glad that I did, because the first crown, although it was cute, it did not work for my particular head and hair situation. So I did press-on nails. I got these from Amazon as well, and I'll leave the link below. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. It might be as good as it gets, but I'll record another little snippet for you guys from my phone so y'all can see my nails. Nothing to brag about. They're, you know, pretty simple, but I just thought they were simple. They were cute, good enough for a birthday photo shoot for me. For my pictures, I used a ring light that I also got off Amazon. What I like about this ring light is it is like compact. You can fold it down. So, you know, I'll have a video in here for you guys to see what I'm talking about, but it's like a collapsible ring light. It's not very big, which I didn't need it to be because I already have studio lights. But because I was going more for like head, upper body, I wanted to use a ring light. I am not a professional photographer by any stretch of the imagination. I just, like most of the millennial generation, kind of know how to take a decent picture. So, I mean, obviously these aren't as great as it would have been had I had like a professional or whatever, but I think considering that I've never taken my own birthday photos and I'm on a budget, I think they came out kind of cute. So I used my phone and the ring light, and I also use the portrait mode on my iPhone. I have an iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, the bigger size. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I have an iPhone 11 Pro, and I use portrait mode, and I use studio lighting in portrait mode. Y'all, I didn't even know this was a thing. I've had this phone for almost a year, and I didn't even know about this like fancy lighting stuff. Like, I obviously knew about portrait mode, but I didn't know about these like crazy lighting settings they have. Y'all, it will elevate your selfies. I know I'm probably super late to the party, but that's okay. But you know, it doesn't matter because we've been like on lockdown for almost a year anyway. So I wasn't really taking that many selfies of myself. I don't know about you, but yeah, so I'm going to insert some of my pictures here so you guys can see. You know, definitely let me know how you feel about them in the comments down below. If you don't like them, I won't be offended. They're not your pictures. But I just thought this would be cute so people can see like what they can do on their own. And you know, if you do have a friend or anybody that can help you take the pictures, that's obviously even better, especially if they have like a good eye. But in my case, I just set the timer, hit the button or whatever. You can also buy, which I do have, but I didn't need it for this, a Bluetooth shutter button on Amazon, and you could just push a button and it'll take a picture each time. You don't have to set a timer or whatever. So there are ways of doing this without having to pay a whole lot of money. And you know, I chose to keep it simple. All I did was get some balloons from Party City that said Happy and B-Day. I only used the B-Day one. because I didn't feel like hanging all this stuff up or whatever. I was like, I'm not doing all that. So I just used the B-Day balloon, which I think was good enough. And then what else did I get? Confetti. I got confetti off of Amazon as well. I don't know y'all, but there are a lot of cars driving by, which is unusual. Anyways, I got the confetti off of Amazon, and the confetti was probably the hardest to do. I went on Pinterest and I saw these little cute little pictures of people with the confetti falling in their face and all. So I was like, oh, I can do that. Yeah, I tried. I think I did okay. You know, it's really a matter of getting, I guess, like your shutter speed right, and you probably have to like slow it down. I'm not a professional, I'm just guessing, but you really have to try to catch it because it goes so quick or whatever, and I just wasn't doing all that. So, you know, I got the basics. So yeah, if you just want like, you know, down and dirty, ragtag sort of birthday photo shoot, but you know, you get decent, you know, cute little pictures, this is the one for you. This is the video for you. But yeah, I just think it's very realistic routine for somebody who does not have a whole lot of equipment on their hands. So if you just buy a ring light, or you may already own one, you get some little accessories, little birthday accessories, get your nails done, get some press-ons like me, and take these pictures. I think it's feasible for your average person to be able to do, and you probably won't spend more than like $20, $25 depending on what look you're going for. But anyways, again guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also tell me happy birthday. Bitch is old. I want y'all to guess how old I am, so I ain't gonna tell y'all. I want y'all to guess. Anyways, I'm old, y'all. I'm so old now. I'm like an old lady. I'm like a granny at this point. But nevertheless, I'm grateful for the life that I do have and to be able to see another year. Such a big deal, you guys. I feel like there's something else I was going to tell y'all, but I can't remember right now, and I don't want to ramble. So I'm just going to end the video. But yeah, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.